Many users are complaining that their iPhone 12 series phone's camera is not working, such as the front or rear camera not working, camera screen going black, camera not focusing or zooming, and so on. This problem can happen due to app crash, dusty lens, software malfunctions, settings misconfiguration, and even hardware problems. In this video, we will show you some best and most effective ways to fix camera not working problem on iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max. These ways will also work for any iPhone running on iOS 15 or later. If your iPhone camera app has been open for a long time in the background, it can crash, so you might see a black screen camera. So you can force close the camera app, then restart the app to fix the issue. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold. Swipe up the camera app to force close it. Now for safety purpose, close all the apps running in the background. After all the apps are closed, open camera app and it should fix the issue. Also check if the cover is covering the camera or not. It can sometimes cause the issue. Also, if you are using a lens cover, though we are not using any here, it can cause problem with the camera sometimes. So if you are having some problem, you can remove it. Also make sure to clean both rear and front camera properly because dusty lens can cause blurry photos. Also, if one of your front camera or back camera is not working, just keep rotating between front and back camera a few times. This process has worked for some users. Also, you can restart your iPhone. It will refresh the iPhone system and it can fix the issue. If it doesn't, check out the next ways. iPhone 12 Smart HDR can cause the problem. So you can restart the Smart HDR. Open settings, go to camera, scroll down to bottom, now turn off Smart HDR, wait a bit, then turn it on. It can fix the issue. Make sure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS possible. If it has a pending update, it can cause the problem. As you can see, we are updating our iOS. If there is some settings misconfiguration, it can cause the problem. So you can reset all the customized settings from your iPhone. Don't worry, it won't erase any of your personal data. Open settings, tap General, tap Transfer and Reset, tap Reset, tap Reset All Settings, tap Reset All Settings, again tap Reset All Settings. Your iPhone will take auto restart and all the customized settings will be erased from the iPhone. If nothing else fixes the issue, to rule out any software malfunction, you can reset and restore your iPhone 12. If any software issues were causing the problem, it will fix it. If the recovery mode also does not fix the camera problem on iPhone 12, it can be a hardware problem and you need to take it to Apple Service Center. So guys, these are the ways you can fix camera not working problem on iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max. That's it for now. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box and always stay with our channel. Thank you.